Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Cardano, ADA, from Robinhood and transfer it over to Binance in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade on a different platform or just diversify your crypto holdings, this step-by-step process will make it easy and secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Robinhood and Binance. Start by logging into your Robinhood app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio and find your Cardano holdings. It's usually under the Crypto section. Click on ADA to view your balance. Next, look for the Withdrawal option. This might be labeled as Withdraw or Transfer Out. Before you proceed, double-check that you're using the correct network. Cardano transactions typically use the ADA network, so select that to avoid any issues. Now, you'll need to enter your Binance wallet address. Head over to Binance, log in, and go to your wallet section to copy the ADA deposit address. Paste that carefully into the Robinhood withdrawal form. Always verify to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. After entering the amount you want to withdraw, review the transaction details, including any fees. Robinhood might charge a small fee, and network fees could apply too, so keep an eye on your total. Once everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transfer should process within a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once the withdrawal is complete, hop back to Binance and check your wallet. Your Cardano should appear shortly. Remember, crypto transfers can be irreversible, so always use two-factor authentication and double-check addresses to stay safe. And there you have it. Your Cardano is now on Binance, ready for trading or staking. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.